Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to set a default filter for a menu action in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So what I'll be showing is that suppose if I go to the sales application, here you can see the my quotation filter is coming by default. Suppose if you click on, if I go to this menu and if I come back to the quotation, you can see this is coming, this filter is coming by default. So let's see how we can add that inside our module, that is in hospital module. So if I go to the hospital and then to the patient, here you can see by default we have already learned how to set default group by. So in this video we will be showing how to set a default filter also like this. Here you can see from these filters I can choose male or female. So let's see how we can set a default filter also. So first of all, if I go to the PyCharm, and this is my custom add-ons path, and this is the OM hospital module that we are continuing our tutorials. And if I open patient.xml file, here you can see this is the action that getting executed on clicking the patients menu. So here you can see this is the patients menu and it calls the action patient action. So first of all, I'll do one thing. I'll just change this name. This is for the better coding convention, so I'll be giving the name as action patient just to improve the coding standard. Initially I have given it wrongly, so when you're defining a menu action, try to give in the name action underscore patient, or you can give like action hospital patient. Just I have just made an improvement, that is to improve the coding standard. So this is not the topic that we have to discuss in this video. So simply I have changed the name of action and I have updated in the corresponding menu. So what we are discussing is about how to set a default filter. So here you can see in the last video we have shown you how to set default group by. So this is the sample. So I'll be removing the extra grouping. I just need to only group by gender, or just I need to group by responsible ID. So simply I'll be removing the excessive line, and if I restart the service and I'll be going into the UI, and from the UI I'll be upgrading the Odoo 14 development tutorials module. So yet if you haven't got this module, you can just download it from the Odoo App Store. So if I come to the hospital, you can see right now when you access the patients, by default it groups based on the responsible. So let's see how we can add like this from the code itself. That is, when we access the patient menu, we have to get default group by as responsible and male as the filter. So what you have to do is that in the context you have to pass the default filter. So here you can see in the context we have passed default group by, that is the syntax is inside the context search default underscore, you have to specify the name of the filter inside the search view. So here this is the basic syntax, search default and responsible ID, then it will looks inside the search view. So inside the search view it will search for a filter with the name responsible ID. Here you can see this will call this responsible as default filter. So let's see how we can set a default filter. So it has to give in the same syntax. So I'll be copying this and I'll be putting a comma and I will paste. So here I have to search default, I'll be using this filter, that is search default male. So I'll copy this name and I will be putting it here. Instead of responsible ID, I'll be putting search default male. So what does this context do is that it will by default call search default responsible ID. So it will be searching for this responsible ID inside the search view. So this is a group by, so this will be executed. Then this will search default, it will search for a male inside the search view. So here you can see there is a filter string male and it will be executed. So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module right now. So I'll be going into the UI and I'll be upgrading the module. So before upgrading the module, when I click on the hospital menu, you can see it's only a responsible coming. So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module with latest changes. So you can see the module is getting upgraded. So the module has been successfully upgraded. Now if I go to the hospital, you can see the default filter is getting applied, that is male as well as the responsible. So this is how you can add a default filter for a menu or menu action in Odoo version 14, and this method can be applicable in all the Odoo versions like Odoo 13, Odoo 12, Odoo 11, Odoo 10, etc. So suppose if I need to filter instead of male, if I need to get female as default filter, what you have to do? You have to give filter string this name female. So instead of male, I need to get by default female. You can put that filter here, search default female, go to the UI, upgrade the module to see the changes. So I'll be upgrading the module. So the module has been upgraded, and if I come to the hospital, you can see female are responsible. So this is how you can set it. So you can see one more thing, if I activate the developer mode, you can see the context from the UI. So if I come to the hospital, and if I click on the debugger button, which you can access from the debug mode, and if you click on edit action, you can see in the context, inside the context you can see the things that we have passed. So this is all about this video. If you have any doubt, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and also you can connect us over social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.